Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's today Tuesday, October the 5th, 2021. We have here an additional with 9 extra puzzles. The first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. Then we have a 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars. Then we have 2 tectonics, tectonic with 4 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. Killer Sudoku, binary puzzle number 1 and binary puzzle number 2. But first, we will solve this 3 stars Sudoku. I'm not going to solve all of them, only 5 of them I will solve. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, then the binary puzzle, tectonic with 4 stars, and a killer Sudoku. So 5 out of 9. First one is a 3 stars Sudoku number 3491. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The higher this number, the easier it will be with the puzzle. But it's not always true, because sometimes a puzzle with 24 printed digits is faster than a 25 or 27. It depends. If you have a lot of pairs or hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see, the 1 in the 3rd row, the 1 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in the 2nd row. So no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 3 and the 7. So what are the other numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. Well, we see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 9 and 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in the 2nd row, so row below, the 3rd row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the 3rd row, so the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. This is a 3, 3 and a 7. Okay. So now we have 6 in the 1st row, 6 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the 2nd row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the 3rd row, 9 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the 1st row for numbers 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. 3 and the 7. And look, we have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Alright. Okay. 847. Okay. Let me see. Let me think. We have a pair again. No. Not quite. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then let me think. How about the number? Yeah. The number. 6. 5. Okay. 2. Yeah. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about those 2 missing numbers in this column? 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4. Alright. Then 8. Yeah. 7. Okay. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Okay, 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Okay, 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So third column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Then we have a 4. No. 1 to the 3. 3. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. No. We have a 5 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 3 and a 7. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 boxes left in the last column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there. Oh! Yeah, we have a 3 there. So no 3 in this box. The only place for the 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. You see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 4 and 8. Here, 2 numbers left, 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 in this box. The 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Okay. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers in this big square. 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes exactly. Wow! I'm very pleased with the time because for a 3-star Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I've solved this in 50 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No. I think whether it's a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.